In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you why you can't find your Creator Fund button and how to fix this. Now, if you tried updating your app and it still wasn't there, then it probably has something to do with TikTok's new updates in 2022. Now, if you didn't know, TikTok is bringing over some of its commercial features over to private accounts, and this is going to conclude where the Creator Fund button is. So chances are you cannot find the button because you thought it would be on a pro account originally, when now they updated it and moved it to private account. So all you would have to do is switch your account to a private account so the button now shows up. TikTok is constantly changing and growing, and that is why it is important to stay up to date with their updates and changes. If that didn't work for you, you can try contacting support by reporting an issue, and you can further take it up with them. If this video helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as we make hundreds of videos on this channel that focus on making you more successful in the next generation.